This is vTech and software.
Hello and welcome to another video from vTech and software. Today I'm going to be looking at what you see here. Yes, I'm actually recording this on my tablet. You aren't seeing my computer screen right now or anything. It's because I'm actually going to be taking apart this. It's clearly stated there. It's a Computron. A couple weeks ago, I was on a vacation that I went to Grandma and Grandpa's house, and they pulled out this, and it doesn't work. I said, I'll take it, and I can go ahead and take it apart just to see what's in here. This is from the 80s, so this is going to be interesting. I know nothing about this or what it was supposed to be, but this will be interesting. Okay, so I know this is against my name. I'm vTech and software, not vTech and hardware. I know. What is this? We've got a lot of really crusted batteries. Look at that. Oh my, look at yuck. Now look at all that. It's all rusted and oh my. Okay, I'm gonna have to clean that up. Let's just bring that aside. Yeah. Okay, so luckily this is before we have those proprietary screws. We just have regular Phillips head. So this is, sorry if I don't get this on camera properly. I'm holding a tablet and trying to screw at the same time. And just a second, I'll pause the video and I'll come back once I've got everything. Well, these screws are really held in good. It's hard to get them out, but I've gotten this side done. One second. I know I'm doing this on carpet. That's not good, but whatever. I hold this open here. I don't know if you can see that, but there's the speaker right there. There's some little controller board in there, probably for the display. So I'll try to get those two other screws out, hopefully, and then I'll talk to you later, give you an update. Sorry for that angle, but I couldn't really get those screws out. They're really in there, but I did manage to pry this back side open. It's better to you would have a better look. It looks better in real life rather than in a video. But you can see here, that's the board. We got a couple of capacitors right there. Well, resistors, I guess that is. Got a little, what it looks like somewhat of a ribbon cable. I'm handling this. Sorry for the focus. I'm handling the camera with only one hand, and that's my non-dominant hand. You can see there's a bit of. Okay. I'm really breaking the body here. Okay. Stay open. Nope. Stay. Oh, we got a better look now. So, there's the speaker over there. I'm not sure if this is the main board or just the board for the display. it looks like you can kind of see here. It's really dark, but you can see there's some sort of chip on that board there that could be. That's probably either a GPU or a CPU. If I could get this entire thing off, that would be so good. And then we could see what's under this keyboard too. Yeah, this is a unique keyboard within itself. I'm not even sure how, like, which is the default button here, whether it's A or G1, or how you would get to, those other keys. See here, there's no shift button, there's an enter button. But I wouldn't think that would shift it to either the P or the 5 on this key. So that'd be interesting to see here. I'll try again, try to get a better look. Right now, that's as far as I've gotten. Alright, back again. I still haven't gotten the 2 screws fully unscrewed yet. I listened to the one, though. Which allows us to have a better look. And I do think that main board is actually the main board. I don't see anywhere else that could possibly be the motherboard. That looks like it's probably the one with the CPU. I really wish I could fully take this apart. Back again. Yeah, I gotta open more. You can see more of it there. Yeah. You can actually, I can maneuver around this without having it snap shut. You can actually see the keyboard, you can actually see the keyboard there. Not really clearly, but it's there. You can't see the switches at all. For that, you would have to unscrew that, which I can manage to unscrew the rest of the screws that hold the whole thing together. I would do that. You can see way better the control board there. Nothing else really in here that I can see. Obviously, it doesn't look as good on camera. Once again, I'm gonna try to get this off. I really don't know if I'll be able to, though. Yeah, guys, I think that's gonna wrap it up. I can't really get in here anymore. Those screws are in really tightly. I mean, some people might not be a problem, but you aren't here, so. But anyways, I'll try, after I finish recording, I'll go ahead and edit in some pictures here, so you can take a look at that. It's not gonna look as good as it would if you actually saw it with your eyes and not through the whatever device you're using to watch this video. But really, it is interesting. Like I said, I don't know much about this, but like you could see here that there wasn't really a PCB. You could see the actual capacitors, the resistors, and there wasn't like a specified PCB. And I really think that one thing. That's bad view. That right there in the back, behind the wires, I think that's like the processor that runs this. Probably a processor, or yeah, probably the processor. And it's interesting because this is from the 80s. As much as I would like to I have never seen inside a piece like an actual 80s computer. Like, I've seen videos of like LGR's unboxing of the IBM PC-AT. That was cool. I would love to do one of those videos on this channel, like, because that is one of the things that fascinates me. Even though I was born in the mid 2000s, I've, like, old technology, old computers like this do fascinate me a lot. Like, that's why I'm subscribed to LGR. It's because, like, that's one of the that's his thing that he talks about, and it fascinates me. Um, I just like looking at old computers and how they worked and how they're different from today's computers. And yeah. But anyways, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, dislike, all that stuff. And I will see you again here, maybe in a week, maybe 2 weeks, I don't know. This is just a hobby. But anyways, thanks for watching.